Number 1. Success comes to those who work hard. Number 2. Never give up on your dreams. Number 3. Hard work beats talent. Number 4. Believe in yourself and move forward. Number 5. Every failure is a step to success. Number 6. Patience is the key to success. Number 7. Success is a journey, not a destination. Number 8. Learn from yesterday, live for today. Number 9. Dreams don't work unless you do. Number 10. Stay focused and never quit. Number 11. Small steps lead to big results. Number 12. Self-discipline builds success. Number 13. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Number 14. Success begins with self-belief. Number 15. Failure teaches us valuable lessons. Number 16. Consistency creates success. Number 17. Time management is success management. Number 18. Action is the foundation of success. Number 19. Great things take time. Number 20. Set goals and chase them daily. Number 21. Confidence is the first step to success. Number 22. Never stop learning. Number 23. Effort today brings success tomorrow. Number 24. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Number 25. Push yourself because no one else will. Number 26. Don't be afraid to take risks. Number 27. Focus on progress, not perfection. Number 28. Success is built on persistence. Number 29. Great success comes from great sacrifice. Number 30. Learn to rise after every fall. Number 31. A positive mind brings positive results. Number 32. Don't compare yourself with others. Number 33. Be patient, success takes time. Number 34. Courage leads to success. Number 35. Your habits decide your future. Number 36. Invest in yourself every day. Number 37. Keep your vision alive. Number 38. Stay strong in difficult times. Number 39. Success demands hard choices. Number 40. Growth starts outside your comfort zone. Number 41. Success is earned, not given. Number 42. Focus on your goals, not distractions. Number 43. Success comes from daily discipline. Number 44. Every challenge makes you stronger. Number 45. Your mindset is your biggest weapon. Number 46. Stay hungry for knowledge. Number 47. Don't wait for opportunities, create them. Number 48. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Number 49. Success is the result of persistence.